In this video I've got some great tips for you for a really juicy, tasty burger. And how to know when it's cooked and safe to eat. Now that tastes cracking. These egg-free burgers are so easy to make and you know exactly what's in them. It's time to get cracking.
I'm using a mixture of beef and pork mince for this recipe. It helps the burgers be really juicy and tasty. If you are just choosing beef, then don't go for really lean meat. Choose about 15 to 20% fat, otherwise your burgers will be dry. There's only 3 ingredients going into these burger patties: garlic powder, black pepper and onion salt. And you can use normal salt if you prefer. All the ingredients and the measurements are in the description down below. Now mix together using a fork. This helps to keep the beef all loose, which helps to keep the burger all juicy. Once that's all mixed together, we're going to divide the mixture into 6. I'm using a ladle to scoop into 6 balls. I'm going to flatten each ball into a patty, trying not to overhandle the meat or packing it too tight, otherwise the burgers are going to be dry. Another little tip here is to put a small thumbprint in the middle of each patty. This prevents the burgers from swelling up too much in the centre and it helps them to hold their shape. Now cover them with cling film and pop them in the fridge for 30 minutes. This will help them to stop falling apart when you're cooking them. You can cook them on a barbecue, a grill pan or a frying pan, but whatever you're using, make sure it's clean so that the burgers don't stick. Heat some oil to a medium heat and then add your burgers. The beauty of making your own burgers is you can make them as big or as small as you like, especially for children where you might want to make them a little bit smaller, although my boys would cry if I gave them small ones. These ones are 2 centimetres thick. They're going to take about 6 minutes on each side. I don't know about you, but I love a bit of cheese on my burger, so I'm putting 2 different types on here and letting that melt. And now here's how you can tell if it's cooked in the middle without cutting into it. Ground beef should be cooked to 160 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's safe to eat. So I'm inserting an inexpensive meat thermometer into the thickest part of the burger. Just push it into the middle of the burger, not down to the pan, otherwise you'll be measuring the temperature of the pan and not the burger. And there we go, 160 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready to eat. And now for the fun, creative part where the whole family can personalise their own burger. I'm spreading on some egg-free burger sauce, some mustard, a bit of tomato ketchup, ooh, tomato ketchup, and my delicious, juicy burger with 2 cheeses. I'm also going to put on a bit of salad, tomatoes, gherkins, lettuce, and some onion rings. Just how many onion rings can I pack into my burger? Look at this. Absolutely juicy and delicious. And now I just need to work out how I'm going to eat it.
Yummy. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe to the channel and comment down below of other egg-free recipes you'd like me to share. And here's some more you can watch right here, right now.